The most important part in a salad is uska dressing. And when we can use the curd and also some dill leaves with it, क्या फ्लेवर होगा आप देखिए. सैलेड को बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बनाना एक ड्रेसिंग का काम है. एंड व्हेन वी मेक द ड्रेसिंग, दिस इज अ वेरी यूनिक ड्रेसिंग व्हिच आई actually tried and it came out very well. Tofu and dahi and the plant-based curd and the dill leaves and parsley and some salt and pepper. That's it. And itna fresh smell aata hai when we put it into any ingredients which you like to make. With I have used the sweet lime and the oranges. This is papaya and some chopped cucumber. It's a very different and unique combination, but it tastes yum. Some cranberries to add that sweetness to it, and ये हमारा जादू वाला ड्रेसिंग. दिस इज अमेजिंग, वेरी वेरी फ्रेश. एंड अगर आपको बनाना है तो जस्ट सी द कैप्शन, उसके अंदर पूरा रेसिपी डाला हुआ है. Time to taste, and I am sure this is going to be, you guys are going to love the dressing. That's my favorite.